He's got his second present. Actually, we forgot to get him a present this year. Where is he going? So
Get it.
I washed 2 of his toys and wrapped them so at least they would smell new. What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get, Dugan? What'd you get, Doogie?
Okay. Ha! A weather station. Okay. Ha! A weather station. Hey, you, get out of there.
Hey, what are you? Oh, Dugan, is that yours? He picked it up. Okay, you can open it for me, but that's it. Okay, whoa, that's it. That's it. Okay, no more after that. After you get the paper off, it's mine. All right, good enough. He just wants to open presents.